Hey guys, I'm Purvaja from HungryForever Chennai, and today we're here at the Bark in Alwarpet. Known for their delicious food and pet-friendly atmosphere, we can't wait to check it out.
Three friends own this place. Yeah, animal lovers. We always felt that we couldn't take them anywhere. We were planning this for say 2 to 3 years. One of my friends, they're into the restaurant industry, so we thought, okay, why not put together? And then, so we started this. And it took a year to build this place, do everything, and start. So our food is basically continental, and April was rescued. We adopted Mickey from a breeder. Mia, she's an Indian Mastiff. And Brownie, it's my dog. So we'll be bringing up training sessions for the dogs and the dog owners. Also, we conduct pet events.
So today we tried out a couple of their salads and drinks. And for the main course, we had their peri peri paneer and their honey chicken steak, both of which were amazing. So if you guys are looking for a place to hang out with some furry four-legged friends, we definitely recommend you check out the Bark.